Hello guys! I'm gonna show you how to use the parental control function on kids' tablets. Open Settings. Then scroll down to the bottom. Tap the Google option and then log in using your child's Google account. Then sign in with your parent account. Tap Next, then tap I agree. Tap a Next button again. Tap Allow. You can set up usage time of your child's device here. Tap Next. You can set up downtime as well. Tap Next. Block access to inappropriate software to ensure your child only uses suitable apps. Slide down and tap Next again. After set up, you can remotely control your child's tablet and view its location. Go Next. Here are Google's privacy policy and backup instructions. Tap Next after reading. And that's it! You've now set up parental controls to better manage your child's tablet use.